Hey everybody, this is Mike from FilmSpark, here to show you a tutorial on the new voice changing feature that we just added to the app. So this is a common technique in AI filmmaking, and it's quite laborious, and we decided to simplify it and make it fun. So currently what a lot of people do in AI filmmaking, and here we're going to give you an example of inside Charlie Fink's Neighborhood Podcast project. So what a lot of people do typically is they create their video with lip sync in Kling 3 or VO3.1 to get really precise lip sync on their characters. But then if they want to have consistent voices over a longer period of shots, they'll take that video, they'll download it, they'll go to 11 Labs, they'll upload the video or rip the audio out and upload it there. They'll use the voice changer feature in 11 Labs, they'll change the voice, they'll download that audio, they'll marry it back into their video, and then they have consistent new voice. So let's show you how we've done this now in FilmSpark. So here's our original video we made with Kling 3. So let's listen to this.
Hello everyone. Hello Linda. I'm depressed tonight because I stopped at that fancy new Whole Foods on the way home.
So that was made in Kling 3, where the voice was applied right when the video was made to get the best lip sync possible. So now we go to our sound effects and voice tab. I'm going to first just go into our history and watch a few of the ones I've made already.
I'm depressed tonight because I stopped at that fancy new Whole Foods on the way home.
Here's a more extreme one.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Linda. I'm depressed tonight because I stopped at that fancy new Whole Foods on the way home.
All right, so let's take a look at how we can easily change the voice now in FilmSpark. So in FilmSpark, every actor, so I can double click on here, has a voice assigned to them if you choose to. You can either use our built-in voices, or you can import voices from 11 Labs with the voice ID, as long as they're public voices, or you can even clone voices. But we're going to choose an 11 Labs built-in voice, just to show an example. Let's choose, put something extreme here.
FilmSpark.ai empowers teams to create high-quality...
Alright, so let's go with the cowboy. Now we're going to go back to that shot. We're going to be in voice change under sound effects. We're going to choose voice change, and we're going to let this generate. It only takes a few seconds.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Linda. I'm depressed tonight because I stopped at that fancy new Whole Foods on the way home.
And there you have it. One click, the voice is changed. Now you will notice that oftentimes with this voice changing, you will lose the accent of the original voice. This also happens directly on 11 Labs. We've contacted them about this, and hopefully it'll be something they'll be improving in the future, but you do get consistent voices throughout your characters. Also, another note about the advanced settings, this feature, remove background noise, actually doesn't work on 11 Labs either. We've also contacted them about this, but it's not the worst thing to strip out the background noise and just get your raw vocals, and then you can add in your ambient sound and music and things afterwards. And you can also add a seed as well to lock in your voice, but you almost won't need that with the voices that we're generating for you from those consistent characters. So yeah, it's really that simple. We can do it again here once more. We'll go pick another voice. Let's see here, find one we like.
FilmSpark.ai empowers...
Alright, let's go with Laura. We'll go back to our shot. We will hit voice change.
Hello everyone. Hello Linda. I'm depressed tonight because I stopped at that fancy new Whole Foods on the way home.
And that's all there is to it. Have fun trying this out at app.filmspark.ai. We look forward to seeing what you create. Thanks.